By default, macOS Finder shows a recent section in the sidebar, and as we can see that all the recently accessed files are listed right here, and so they're visible to anyone who opens Finder, which is sure annoying if you have tax documentation or if you're screen recording and you want to hide sensitive information. So we want to get rid of as much of this excess stuff as possible. So we're going to take away that option. It does not delete any of the content. So wherever it is currently stored on the computer or your shared drives, that's where it's actually going to stay. With the Finder window open, we're going to click Finder up in the menu and we're going to pick Settings. It'll probably open on the General tab, and I'm going to change this new Finder Windows show to, I'm going to choose my home directory, pick any other directory that you're interested in, and click on Sidebar. And we'll notice that the very first option, Recents, we're going to toggle that, and it's actually going to get removed over here. It doesn't get rid of any of the computer files, it just simply gets rid of that option. So we can see that this Sundered Isles guidebook.pdf, if we right click on it and we do get info, we're going to see that it's actually stored on my iCloud and downloads directory. So if we go over to, this is my iCloud and downloads directory, we can just double click on it and we can see that the file still opens. So we're going to close all of these windows and we're going to open Finder, and we're going to notice that it does not go to recent. It goes to our home directory, which is what we had specified up here in the General tab. If you find yourself ever needing to get back into the Recents folder, there's multiple ways of doing it. I'm going to demonstrate Spotlight. So I'm going to hold Command and hit Spacebar, and I'm going to type out Recents. And with that, I'm going to push Enter, and we're going to see that there's all my recent files. So as I stated before, this only hides the sidebar shortcut, not the actual data. I hope you found that helpful. Thank you for watching. Take care.